Hello everyone. Good afternoon. The task we were given was basically the prediction task, text prediction through RNN and LSTM. So we continued from the code which was given in class that was using RNN, and we were asked to basically change 4 hyperparameters just like last time, and make changes to the model such that the prediction or the loss occurred basically improves. So I'll just quickly take you there. The URL from which I'm taking the text is this. So even if you want to see how does this look like, it looks like this. This is like Shakespeare, some Shakespeare talks, and we've just read these. The length of the characters is this much. The first few lines looks like this. We need to vectorize them, unique characters. Now giving converting them into a set form, and then for each set there exists a value and key. So that's what I'm doing here, just like what we did in class. So I'll just take you through to sequence length and other things. The first hyperparameter which I changed was batch size 128. So I assumed that using a bigger batch size, or earlier it was 64. So now in a batch size of 128, we're giving more data sets. So the model should basically perform well on a lot of words, and it will be easier for the model to actually understand and draw context out of it. So that's why I used it. Buffer size of 20,000 basically means is it actually shuffles these elements in this size. So I've also increased this size just to make sure that it has enough elements in order to read and draw conclusion. The other changes were made earlier. This was GRU layer for RNN. Now it's LSTM layer with a dropout as well. So 20% neurons will be shut off, and this is basically best case scenario for models where there is overfitting. And likewise, embedding layer was also there earlier, but there's no difference in this. So I've changed the epochs time as well. Epoch, total number of epochs or total number of iterations. Uh, if we go down, yeah. So using 30 epochs actually improved my accuracy, and I'm getting only a loss of around 1 point lesser than 1. So this is basically very good. So now I'm asking the model to generate the text using music. So yep, here you go. We see that there are only fewer what you can say vocabulary mistakes or other mistakes. So there are still sentences which actually make sense. Show your son more reasons and she'll need that were a fat. This is a vocabulary mistake. So yep, thank you so much.